and welcome everyone. My name is Jerry Karaya with Guildhall Precious Metals Online, and want to welcome you to my video today. Really quick, I want to show you how easy it is to purchase precious metals online, whether you're a new investor or a seasoned veteran in stacking precious metals. We want to help you out. We want to be that go-to. So first, go to guildhallpreciousmetals.com, and it'll take you to the home screen. Once you get to the home screen, you'll register. So put in your username, first name, password, set up a password, your address for shipping, and once you do that, you want to log in. It'll take you to the home screen, and today, depending on what the market's saying, you want to purchase, let's say, silver today. So it will take you to the home screen where you will hit at the top banner. The choices there for gold, silver, platinum, palladium. The choices are there for you. In this case today, I'm thinking of a combo. So let's go to the page, the second page, and I'll choose a 100-ounce silver combo. So I'm going to add this product to the cart. Comes with 5 10-ounce silver bars and 50 maple coins. Let's lock in the price of $22.29.89. Let's add that to the cart. There we go, and that looks good. Let's hit checkout. It'll pop up there showing you about combos, and here we go to the checkout screen. So first, you want to make sure that your billing address is correct if you want it shipped home. Otherwise, if you have a depository account, if you have an account open, you want to have it moved into the vault in Mississauga, put your account number in there. But in this case, I want to have it shipped. Make sure the shipping address is correct. Any order over $1,000 is free ship to you. Shipping is done through Canada Post, and tracking number is provided. If your order is below $1,000, it's a shipping fee of $25. Now we have promotions and promo codes on all the time, and this week's promo is found at the top of the screen. So check that out, promo code at the top for discount on shipping that you would put in the coupon code down below. Methods of payment, we offer various methods of payment: cash up to $10,000, Interac e-transfer, online bill payment with BMO, CIBC, Scotia Bank, RBC, National Bank, wire transfers, credit cards. Even if you want to pick up certified check is also an option. In this case today, I'm going to choose online bill payment. Make sure the amount's correct, put the promo code if necessary, and then hit accept and submit order. And it's that easy. You could do it from the comfort of your own home or on the go or from your mobile phone. It's that easy. And once that's done, you're going to get a confirmation, an email sent to you. And that's complete. So again, this is Jerry Karaya with Guildhall Precious Metals. We look forward to assisting you accumulate and protect your wealth for the long term with quality hard assets such as gold, silver, natural fancy color diamonds. As always, we are available for consultation, so give us a call anytime at 1-8778-SILVER. We look forward to assisting you. Thanks for watching.